Meteorologist Brandon Marshall is joining us now as we enjoy more of this September-like weather.
56 days until the first official day of autumn, which arrives on September 22nd. Yes, I am counting, but we're getting an early preview here this weekend. Nice and pleasant temperatures, heat index values of around 100 or hotter. So with that said, I'm going to issue an ice cream advisory for tomorrow. All flavors are included, but you're going to want to eat it quickly because rapid melting is likely to occur. Take a live look at our Dubuque sky cam at the Diamond Joe Casino. Seeing a little bit of sun peeking through those clouds. You might get a little bit wet here momentarily in the Dubuque area, however. Looking at generally quiet conditions here in eastern Iowa, but some showers right along the river in northwest Illinois and eastern Iowa. And here's a loop of just the last 3 hours in Tama County. You can see the training of these showers. There was a report in the Traer area of around 3 inches of rain in about an hour's time. But as this front moves through Monday night into Tuesday, that'll bring some showers and storms. And then this front's going to stall out to our south on Wednesday. And then the question is just how far north is it going to lift later on in the week? This is where the tornado would be. This is the strongest rotation, which is right over Prairieburg, and kind of move this a little bit back so you can see where it is headed next. Continues to move to the northeast. It may go a little bit south of Hopkinton and certainly to the north of Monticello. This is for Grundy County here in eastern Iowa. The center of the storm just passed through Iowa Falls. It is tracking to the east about 20 miles per hour, so pretty slow. You can expect some heavy downpours, maybe winds 50 to 60 miles per hour, as well as some quarter-size hail. Going to be near Ackley and Wellsburg between now and about 6:30. We also have additional showers and storms up to the northeast. A warning just came out for Alameda County, and this is in effect you see here until 6:30 as well, as this is going to clip about the northeastern part of the county. Right now we do have a tornado warning for Johnson County, and if we go back to here we go. Here's our Doppler radar right now, and where you see this pink and this purple color, that is the core of the storm. No doubt putting out maybe 60 to 70 mile per hour winds, some golf ball, maybe ping pong ball size hail, definitely associated with the storm, and the torrential rainfall as well. Yeah, so if you live in Girard towards McGregor, this storm is heading your way. So you want to take cover now. This is a tornado warned storm. Again, we don't have a confirmation of a tornado on the ground. It is just radar indicated. The radar picking up the winds here in the storm, and we are seeing some broad rotation, but certainly some wind gusts 60 to possibly 70 miles per hour. And good evening, everyone. Meteorologist Brandon Marshall here. We got severe weather moving across eastern Iowa. Currently, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Clayton and Fayette County till 7:45, and just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Buchanan, Delaware, and Dubuque County until 8:15 for this line of strong thunderstorms, which has produced tree damage in parts of Alameda County. And you can see it's going to be near these areas between now and about 8 o'clock. And good evening, everyone. Hot and humid air is back on the move here into Iowa. Heat warnings and advisories are posted for much of the Midwest. That will carry over at least into the first half of the weekend. Really not much change for Sunday. Still going to be kind of warm, humid temperatures, pretty close to where they were here on Saturday. But I also am tracking a storm system that will impact the area Monday, bringing the chance of rain. Hopefully you enjoy this nice reprieve from summer because the steam is on the way back. This warm front off to our south. This will lift northeast across the state of Iowa tomorrow. Our winds will switch to the south, so that warm and humid air will move right back into Iowa as we start the weekend.
Kids around the area, a lot of them start on Thursday. Where are we going from here?
Well, you're going to need your rain gear tomorrow. That is for sure going to be a very soggy start to the work week, or if you are starting school tomorrow. But we're quiet right now as we take a live look at our Doppler radar here across eastern Iowa. Quiet conditions for the moment, maybe a few light sprinkles in southwestern Keokuk County, but the bulk of the showers and storms are still off to our west and south. And as we expand the view, you can see some heavy rainfall right now in parts of southwestern Iowa. But these do continue to advance slowly to the north and east and should get in here late overnight into tomorrow morning. The clouds do continue to thicken up and build, and they'll continue to do that as we head through the rest of tonight. We're watching 2 areas of low pressure, one in Nebraska, another one in eastern Kansas. These 2 are going to phase together or merge, and that's really going to strengthen and deepen the storm as it moves into Iowa for tomorrow. So here's your Monday planner for the commute tomorrow morning. Plan on a wet one. Showers and storms, some heavy rain certainly possible as well. We'll start at 6 68. Then when we get into the lunch hour and when you head home, more or less scattered showers and storms. And if we can get some sun by afternoon, we could squeeze out a 76-degree temperature. And with that sunshine will come some instability. So can't rule out a couple strong storms as we get into the afternoon tomorrow. But that's really conditional on how much instability that we can get for tomorrow. But we'll go to Predictor now and we'll track this storm as it continues to track to the north and east. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, looking at some moisture wrapping in behind this system. And where you want to be, just like a winter storm with heavy snow, you want to be on the north and northwest side of the system. That's where the heavy rain will be as we get into tomorrow. And then the storm will move into southeast Iowa by afternoon, and we'll get into the dry slot, more or less scattered showers and storms once it gets south of Highway 20. And then this thing will slowly move off into Illinois. High pressure will end the rain tomorrow evening, and much cooler weather and less humid weather will arrive Tuesday and Wednesday. So we'll track it now again on Predictor. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, looking at showers and storms, some heavy rain certainly possible. And then by afternoon, here we are at noon, more or less scattered showers and storms further to the south. And if we can get some instability by afternoon, can't rule out some redevelopment, maybe a strong storm or two into the afternoon and early evening. And then here we are on Tuesday morning, all the rain has ended. As far as how much rain you can expect, I think the bulk of this is going to fall in southwest Iowa, where they could see 2 to 3 inches or maybe even higher amounts. Here in eastern Iowa, certainly 1 to 2 inches is a pretty good bet. These thunderstorms are going to be efficient rainfall producers, and with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches, possibly in some of those stronger storms, certainly could see some locally higher amounts than 2 inches before this whole system moves on out of here by tomorrow evening. So your forecast tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers and storms will arrive thinking about after 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Temperatures should fall into the mid to upper 60s. Occasional showers and storms throughout the day tomorrow. Some locally heavy rain certainly possible. Temperatures much cooler than the last several days, with readings mainly in the 70s. Your extended forecast, some clouds and 73 on Tuesday. How about 51 early Wednesday morning? Won't be surprised if some of our northwestern counties are in the 40s by early Wednesday. 76 on Wednesday afternoon. Could see a few showers and storms on Friday. Then the heat and humidity build back in for the weekend with highs close to 90 for Saturday and Sunday.